Well, good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm down at the nature reserve at the moment with my new Nikon Z 180-600mm lens. It's just come into springtime here, and this lens has come at just the right time. I've been chasing these little kingfishers here, and they've finally returned to this area. They have their nests in little termite mounds, so I keep my eyes open for that. There's a couple of mounds that I keep checking out every now and again. When I was down here yesterday, I saw 3 of them. So I thought, right, they're back in the area. So this morning I came down with the lens, and I've got it teamed up with my Nikon Z7. Coming into spring, the birds are hungry. There's also rain due later today, so that's another reason why they're out in force this morning. They were out so thick in my garden. There was a couple of birds that I got a couple of shots of just as I was coming down here. This is the reason why I got this lens, so I can get in closer to these little guys, because these kingfishers, they're only about 10 to 15 centimeters in length. So I'm going to do my best. I'm going to try and scope out where these little guys were yesterday. Hopefully they'll be in the same spot and I can get some shots. And sure enough, just yesterday where I left these kingfishers sitting on this branch, there's actually 2 of them right here. One's having a bit of a feed. Well, that butterfly didn't have much of a chance. I was talking before how this is an absolute activity for bird life down here at the moment. Have a look down here. There's this cormorant, and it's sitting on this log just over the creek. Pretty sure that's a shining bronze cuckoo. It's a bit far away, but that's that Spangled Drongo right over here on this branch. It's a little bit far away. Oh, have a look at these guys. I don't see these guys around here much, but these are king parrots, and they're having a feast up on this tree. I'm pretty sure they're king parrots. They've got a red belly and a green top. That's normally the female, and the male's normally the red, but I'll get some shots. I'll just do a little bit of video for you. So it's coming up to about 2 weeks now that I've had this lens. And I've been out every day with it, you know, big boys toys. And I just love it. I'm getting such amazing shots with it. I love the fact that I've got that extra reach. You'll see shots like these that I'm showing you right now. I can get so much closer. Yeah, it's a little bit slower on the long end compared to the 400. This is a 6.3. I keep my shutter speed down very low just so I can keep that ISO down low. But nowadays, you've got such amazing post-processing software to use. You've got things like Photoshop, you've got Topaz Denoise AI. You know, those programs can clean up your shots. In fact, I've actually done a video on that Topaz Denoise AI, and I'll leave that up for you right here to have a look at a little bit later on. The other thing I'm enjoying about this lens is that 1.3 meters minimum focus distance at 180 millimeters. I was photographing some butterflies just over there before, and I was utilizing that, and it's really good. It comes in so handy being able to get so close. Well, there you go, guys. That is the Nikon Z 180 to 600 millimeter doing some bird photography at the nature reserve just near my house. I've had so much fun with this lens today. It was definitely worth buying, and I've been out every single day with it since I've had it. I've had it for about 2 weeks, and man, I've been having some fun with this lens. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Never stop creating, and I'll see you next time.